making some bath salts or bath soak, whatever you call it. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So first you're going to need some sort of skin safe essential oil. I recommend using lavender oil because it smells really good and it is skin safe for the bath. You're also going to need some Epsom salt, some baking soda, and either some coarse sea salt or Himalayan pink salt like I have. And then you will need some sort of airtight container to store your salts in. So I'm going to be mixing all of my ingredients in this large bowl. I'm just making a small amount today because I only have a little bit of pink salt left. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 2 cups of Epsom salt. And then I'm going to add in a half a cup of my pink salt, or if you have sea salt, you put half a cup of that. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of baking soda. This doesn't have to be exact if you don't have as much of one item or the other, it's just fine. So here I am awkwardly trying to stir this up with my left hand and hold my camera at the same time. So I'm just mixing everything together in the bowl thoroughly before the next ingredient that I'm going to add. So next I'm going to be adding in about 10 drops of my essential oil, and I'm using the lavender essential oil. 3, 4, 5. It's hard to get 10 exact the way they come out, but about 10 or so, 10, 15. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix in my essential oil with the rest of the dry ingredients, and it already smells so good with adding the essential oil in there. So I'm just going to mix this up thoroughly, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So I'm finished with my bath salts. You can add in things like fresh lavender if you would like. Just make sure you store your bath salt in a airtight container, and then you can add a couple tablespoons to your bath when you're ready. It's really nice to have a lot in hand, and this makes a good amount to use, and it's very cheap to make at home on your own. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, take care.